Hey everybody, Hey Grove Love Homestead here. Today is actually Friday, and we have opened our farm stand slash farm shop, I guess, Pokemon shop. So this is what it looks like on the outside, and we're gonna go on the inside. I'm gonna show you what it looks like on the inside. Now, for those of you that haven't been following or just started following, we have been working on this since it's been not a year, but it's been quite a bit. But we got all of the walls up. Aren't they gorgeous? And the ceiling and the lights are up like it's an actual shop, like a farm shop. I have my sign here, which I need to find I want to get like a chalkboard sign to put up, so I need to find one of those. This basket will be where eventually maybe some produce will go into eventually. Right now I don't have any. This is my bread and cookie table. I put my eggs back here. We got jelly here. We have jalapeno bread. We have regular sandwich bread. I just did the jalapeno bread yesterday, and I haven't tasted one, so I'm gonna do a video of me making jalapeno bread. That way, if anybody has any questions or never made jalapeno bread, I'm gonna have a video that y'all can follow for that. So stay tuned for that. That will be a video coming along. On this table, it's kind of different stuff. We have coasters, soap area. I got a little bit of candles here. I got homemade vanilla here, a honey here, which I've already sold 2 of those, so I did put 2 more. This is the last one I'll be putting out this year. And then we have some more coasters, and then we have some earrings that I make. Everything on this table is homemade, even the coasters. I do them by hand. And like I say, everything on here it's homemade. So that's what this shop is, typically about. But we do have some Pokemon coasters. Those are too cute. And then our little candles. I love this bear one, ain't she cute? Cutest thing ever. And then the little owl, we can't forget the owl. Hee hee, I love it. And I don't think that my stuff is, particularly expensive. I go by kind of what everybody else does. Except my bread. My bread is cheaper than everybody else's. But my bread is not sourdough bread. I don't like sourdough bread. I don't really know how to do sourdough bread. I don't think I'll be putting that in my future. I've tried. It's never worked out. So we'll just stick with that Amish bread that I really like. I also make cake, and I put cake in here. We sell a couple of different things. Up here we have our goat's milk soap and our butter. And all that's, the butter's homemade. I drive to Wichita Falls and get my cream to the sheep over there, and we make butter out of it. And then this side is my husband's side. This is his Pokemon shop side. I drove an hour and a half to get this thing, but it was cheap. It was only 25 bucks. So I was like, you know what, we're going. So he's got a lot of Pokemon stuff. And then over here, he has his little binders that are full of Pokemon cards too. Now, eventually, this AC, we're going to buy a different one. It's the window one. I don't know how to explain it, but it's a window one. So eventually, we're going to get a different AC to go in here. Because in a hot day, even though it has insulation everywhere, it does still get hot. So we will be changing that out eventually. But we did mats. I still need to finish. I gotta buy the mats for the rest of this. Hopefully, work is slow, so I don't know when I'll be able to get that again. But that will finish out the whole thing. But these are mats just like the gym mats, and they're easy to sweep, easy to run a mop over, whatever. That's what I'm gonna probably do today before we open. I'm open, but before anybody actually gets here. But that's our shop. I just wanted to show y'all kind of what it looks like. And we opened last weekend and it did pretty well. We'll see how this weekend goes. And it rained last weekend, so we got maybe about 4 to 6 customers come in. But that's because I think it was raining. Now it's not raining, and it was a holiday. So this weekend it's not raining, and hopefully we'll get lots more customers. But I really love it. We've worked really hard on this. I hope y'all like it. Y'all stick around, guys. Like and subscribe, hit the notification button, and we'll catch you in the next one.